The highly anticipated DJI Mavic 4 Pro is finally here, redefining the world of aerial photography and drone technology. With cutting-edge features, industry-leading camera advancements, and powerful AI-driven flight capabilities, the Mavic 4 Pro sets a new standard for professional and enthusiast drone pilots alike. In this in-depth review, we'll explore everything you need to know about the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, from its camera specs and flight performance to battery life, intelligent features, and why it stands out in the crowded drone market of 2024. Design and build quality. A sleek yet robust upgrade. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro introduces a sleeker, more aerodynamic design while maintaining the signature foldable form factor that makes the Mavic series so popular. DJI has used high-strength carbon fiber and lightweight materials to enhance durability while keeping the drone portable. Key upgrades in design. Improved aerodynamics. Reduces wind resistance for more stable flights. Enhanced heat dissipation. Ensures better cooling for extended operations. Water and dust resistance. Rated for better performance in challenging environments. Upgraded propellers. Quieter, more efficient flight with better thrust. These improvements make the Mavic 4 Pro one of the most durable and versatile drones in DJI's lineup, perfect for professional videographers, photographers, and hobbyists alike. Camera system. Next-level aerial photography. One of the biggest highlights of the Mavic 4 Pro is its next-generation Hasselblad 4 of 3 CMOS sensor and dual camera system. This drone is built for capturing ultra-high-definition footage in stunning clarity. Camera features and upgrades. Primary camera. 4/3-inch CMOS Hasselblad sensor with 24mm lens. Secondary camera. Periscope telephoto with 7x optical zoom. Video resolution. 6K per 60 frames per second plus 4K per 120 frames per second HDR video. Photo resolution. 50MP RAW and JPEG support. Adjustable aperture. f/2.8, f/11 for precise light control. Night mode. Improved low light performance with noise reduction. D-Log and HLG HDR. Enhanced color grading for professionals. Super slow motion. 240 frames per second recording in 1080p. Hyperlapse and panorama. Advanced cinematic shooting options. With such an advanced camera system, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro rivals professional filmmaking drones, making it a perfect choice for content creators, cinematographers, and commercial drone pilots. Flight performance and intelligent navigation. The Mavic 4 Pro boasts industry-leading flight performance, with significant improvements in speed, stability, and obstacle avoidance. Key flight enhancements. Max speed, 82 km per hour, 51 miles per hour, in sport mode. Wind resistance. Handles winds up to 55 km per hour, 34 miles per hour. Intelligent obstacle avoidance. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing powered by AI and LiDAR technology. Autonomous flight modes. Active Track 5.0, Waypoint 3.0, and Smart Return to Home. Advanced GPS and GLONASS. Ensures precise positioning and stability. OcuSync 4.0 Plus. 15 km range with ultra-low latency. These features make flying safer and more intuitive, giving both beginners and experienced pilots unparalleled control over their aerial shots. Battery life and charging. Fly longer. Capture more. Battery life is a crucial aspect of any drone, and the Mavic 4 Pro takes it to the next level with an upgraded power system. Battery and charging features. Flight time. Up to 50 minutes per charge. Smart battery management. Optimizes power usage for extended flights. Fast charging. 65W USB-C charging with 0 to 100% in 70 minutes. Interchangeable battery system. Hot swappable batteries for longer shooting sessions. This extended flight time allows for longer creative sessions and minimizes downtime, making the Mavic 4 Pro perfect for professional drone operators. Smart features and AI integration. DJI continues to push the boundaries with AI-driven features in the Mavic 4 Pro, making it one of the smartest drones on the market. Top AI features. Smart Follow 5.0. Tracks moving subjects with extreme precision. Advanced waypoint navigation. Customizable flight paths for automated cinematic shots. Smart Return to Home. Avoids obstacles and finds the safest route back. Gesture Control 3.0. Take photos and videos with simple hand gestures. Voice Command feature. Control certain functions with voice prompts. These intelligent features enhance automation, making the DJI Mavic 4 Pro ideal for solo filmmakers and professionals looking for seamless aerial shots. Pricing and availability. Is it worth buying? DJI is positioning the Mavic 4 Pro as the ultimate consumer drone, offering premium features at a competitive price. Expected pricing. Standard bundle, $2,199, includes drone, controller, battery, charger. Fly More Combo, $2,799, includes 3 batteries, ND filters, extra propellers, carrying case. Cine Edition, $3,299, Apple ProRes support, 1 TB SSD, advanced accessories. Given its powerful specs, professional-grade camera, and intelligent features, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is well worth the investment for anyone serious about aerial photography and videography. Final verdict. Should you buy the DJI Mavic 4 Pro? The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is a game-changer in the world of drones. Whether you're a content creator, filmmaker, real estate photographer, or drone enthusiast, this model offers unmatched performance, stunning visuals, and intelligent features that make flying easier and more cinematic than ever before. Pros. Industry-leading 6K camera with advanced zoom capabilities, longest battery life in its class, 50 minutes. Best AI-powered flight technology for smooth and safe operation. Pro-grade shooting modes for filmmakers and photographers. OcuSync 4.0 Plus transmission with 15 kilometers range. If you're looking for the best drone of 2024, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is an unbeatable choice.